Thank you for joining us today, Gia.
Thank you for allowing me to do this.
Let's just wait for a few more minutes and then start.
Hmm. Vanita, actually, thank you for letting me do this because of what you've done, I'll be able to complete my research properly.
Not at all, not at all. I'm glad I could be of some help.
Yeah.
Hey, Vidika. Hi, Bhagya.
Hi, Vanita.
Hey.
Hello.
We're waiting for another person to join. There she is. Firstly, let me be clear that this is a very safe space. Everything discussed in this group stays here and does not go out of this room. All right? Who would like to volunteer to go first?
I think I'll go first, Vanita. So,
Yeah, before that, Virika, there is absolutely no force, no pressure, no compulsions, okay? You can start off by telling why you're here today, or if you have any particular questions, please go ahead.
thank you for that, Vanita. Hello, everyone. This is Virika here. I have been married for the past 6 years. I have a 2-year-old daughter, and I am a victim of domestic violence. It started in the early days of marriage, and I dismissed it thinking it was just a phase. And it didn't occur since. I mean, after the lockdown, I don't want to get into the details right now. Things have been bad, and I'm here to understand what my options are. Yeah,
Thank you for sharing that, Virika. I completely understand what you're going through. It is difficult. Raising a child, worrying about her, securing a future for yourself and for her, it's tough. But it's important. Anyway, we'll discuss the options, okay? Who would like to go next?
Hello, Vanita. Hello, Vidika. This is Jia here. I'm 20 years old and I'm currently studying journalism and mass communication. I'm attending these sessions for a neighbor of mine and also because I want to understand the subject very clearly, like Vanita mentioned in the beginning.
Great. Thank you, Jia. I hope these sessions help you and your neighbor in some way.
Yeah, thank you.
Arya, Bhagya, do you want to introduce yourselves and tell us why you're here today? Okay, no problem. Whenever you're ready.
I think there's a chat in the chat box from Arya.
Right. Thank you, Virika. Thank you. Actually, my mic is not working. I'm also here to listen and understand about abuse. No problem, Arya. Glad you could make it. Bhagya?
Hello, ma'am. Bhagya here. My friend told me about these sessions. Few months back, it was not like this. But now, due to the lockdown, it has increased, ma'am. I'm not able to escape also. I cannot talk much now. My father come anytime.
I completely understand. You can also use the chat box like Arya if required. Okay, ma? Thank you, ladies, for joining and for doing this for yourselves. Let's begin by understanding what is abuse and what are the different kinds of abuse. Domestic violence is in itself a very sensitive and important topic. There are primarily 4 types of abuse. They are physical, sexual, psychological, and economic. These need not be particularly from your partner. It could be from your parents, your in-laws, your relatives, your friends. Let's understand abuse and what are the warning signs of abuse.
It's no longer about how he treats me anymore. I mean, he's already overridden my bank account. The abuse has gotten worse, and my child is getting affected. I feel like I'm lost and stuck, and I just want to get out of this, All I want to understand is what my legal options are. I think I'm more certain about that than anything else right now. So if you could connect me to someone who can help me with this, Yes.
It's great to see your strength. If you're absolutely clear about this, then I'll put you in touch with a legal counsel at the end of this call. Yeah?
Yes, Vanita, I think that would be great. Thank you.
Sure. Bhagya, do you have anything to share?
Yes, ma'am. It's very difficult for me to live in that house, ma'am. I told you last time. My father, 2 days ago, he tried to. I tried to push him out of the way. I ran to my friend's house. Now I'm in my friend's house. But they are also a big family, no, ma'am. I will have to leave here too. Ma'am, please help me, ma'am. Sometimes I feel like this is all my fault. After all, my mother, she died because of me only, right? I deserve this.
Bhagya, just take deep breaths, Bhagya. Remember the breathing exercises we did last session? Everything will be all right. We're all here for you, okay? And please don't think that your mother's death or any of this is your fault.
Why does anybody have to go through this, Vanita? Even my neighbor for that matter. I've tried talking to her, but she just doesn't want to admit. Even though, clearly, her husband beats her and the entire building is to witness that. So how do I begin to approach her?
Jia, I completely understand. It is difficult. Just give her a space, okay? Maybe you can anonymously try to tip the police or indirectly try talking to her. At the end of the day, it is her decision, yeah? Arya, do you want to pick up from where you left off last week? Yes, I thought about what you said. You were right. I was in denial. You were right. I am being abused. Now I know. Since last time, my car keys have been taken. I cannot speak to my friends or my family. Even now, I'm able to talk to you only because he is working out in the terrace. I know where he keeps the phone, so I sneaked in and got it from his drawer. You said you were childhood lovers, right? Yes, since 5th grade. I love him very, very much. I always thought he would come around, especially when he was very sweet and loving. But when you spoke about the different faces last session, I was shattered. I think the bigger problem now is that if I say anything, he threatens to harm himself. I completely understand, Arya. It is difficult. But let me tell you one thing. You have been very, very strong in dealing with this, really. The love and everything you have towards him is completely normal. It's valid too. But you need to understand that what he does to you is completely wrong. Nothing justifies that, right? Arya? All right then. We'll have to wind up the session. Shall we just practice the breathing exercises once before we wind up? Close your eyes. Inhale, hold. Exhale, hold. Inhale, hold.
What was that?
So, ladies, that brings us to the end of these sessions. It is unfortunate that I couldn't get through to Arya. I'll keep trying her though. I know all of you are in a better place, and I'm happy for you all.
These past few weeks, you have given me so much courage. I could finally talk to my parents, and I feel like a weight has been lifted off my chest, And now with the court trial beginning, I know everything will get better. I'm finally hopeful. And I really hope that all of us here can get past through this very, very soon.
Great, Virika. All the very best.
Really, ma'am. It's so nice to be in this shelter home. No tension at all. This is all because of you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Not at all, Bhagya. I'm very happy for you.
Yeah, all thanks to you, Vanita. It has helped my research, and my neighbor is awaiting action on her FIR. And I really, really hope her plea gets validated. But I'm not sure that the police might listen to her, But my family and I will support her through this. And yeah, thank you for patiently answering all my questions.
Good, Jia, and all the very best for your research. Thank you once again, ladies, for doing this. You have been very strong and bold. Stay that way, all right? And if at any point of time you'll want to reach out, I'm always available. Just one. Arya, hope you're okay. There has been some issues. Power has been erratic. That's all right. I'll get in touch with you personally. We were just winding up. Any last thoughts? We can take up the sessions you missed separately, all right?
Hi. This is Arya here. I had to go out of the call the other day because my wife came early and saw me talking to someone. She got really angry and started to... I'm sorry guys, I lied. I didn't know any other way. I didn't know who to go to. I feel unsafe in my own house. Even now I'm taking a big risk talking to you while she's in the shower. I have no one.